Hello students, let's read this question. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. So let's start with first. In first, we have given that the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. So let's start the solution. Let the two numbers be x and y such that y is greater than x. Now, according to the question, y is equals to 3x. This is our first equation. And y minus x equals to 26. This is our second equation. Now, substituting the value of 1 into 2, we get 3x minus x equals to 26. So, from here, this will give us 2x equals to 26. So, we get the value of x as 13. Now, we put this value into the first equation, we get y is equals to 3 into 13. So from here we get the value of y as 39. Now move on to the second question, that is the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. So let's start the solution. Let the larger angle be x degree and smaller angle be y degree. We know that the sum of supplementary pairs the sum of supplementary pair of angles is always 180 degree. Now according to the question, x plus y equals to 180 degree. This is our first condition. And second condition is x minus y equals to 18 degree. This is our second condition. So from first we get x equals to 180 degree minus y. This is our third equation. Now, if we substitute the value of x into the second equation, we get 180 degree minus y equals to 18 degree. So from here we can write that minus 2y is equals to 18 degree minus 180 degree. Solving this, we get the value of y as 81 degree. Now putting this value of y into the first equation, into the third equation, we get x equals to 180 degree minus y and y is 81 degree. So from here we get the value of x as 99 degrees. Now move on to the third question, which is the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for 3800 rupees. Later he buys 3 bats and 5 balls for 1750 rupees. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. So let's start the solution. So let the cost of a bat be X and cost of a ball be Y. Now according to the question, 7x plus 6y equals to 3800. This is our first condition. And second is 3x plus 5y equals to 1750. This is our second condition. From first, we get the value of y as 3800 minus 7x divided by 6. This is our first equation. Now, substituting the value of y into the second equation, we get 3x plus 5 into 3800 minus 7x divided by 6 is equals to 1750. Now, solving this, it will be 3x plus 9500 by 3 minus 35x by 6 is equals to 1750. Again, we can write this as 3x minus 35x by 6 is equals to 1750 minus 9500 by 3. Again, further solving this, we get 18x minus 35x by 6 is equals to 5250 minus 9500 by 3. Solving this, we get minus 17x by 6 is equals to minus 4250 by 3. This cancel out this by 2 times. So multiplying 2 and minus cancel out minus, this will be 17x is equals to, multiplying this by 2, this will be 8500. So solving this, we get the value of x as 500. So putting the value of x into the third equation, we get y is equals to 3800 minus 7 into 500 whole divided by 6. This will be 300 by 6. So from here we get the value of y as 50. So we get the cost of a bat is of 500 rupees and cost of a ball is 50 rupees. Now move on to the fourth question, which is the taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is 105 rupees, and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is 155 rupees. What are the fixed charges and charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? So let's start the solution. So let the fixed charges be rupees X and per kilometer charge be rupees Y. So according to the question, X plus 10Y equals to 105. This is our first condition. And second is X plus 15Y equals to 155. This is our second equation. Now from first we can get the value of X as 105 minus 10Y. This is our third condition. Substituting the value of third into the second, we get 105 minus 10y plus 15y equals to 155. Solving this, we get 5y is equals to 155 minus 105. So we get 5y equals to 50. So from here, we get the value of y as 10. Now putting the value of y in the first equation, we get, in the third equation, we get x equals to 105 minus 10 into 10. So from here, we get x equals to 105 minus 100. So from here, we get the value of x as 5. That means the fixed charge is of 5 rupees and per kilometer charge is of 10 rupees. So we have to calculate the charge for 25 kilometer. It will be x plus 25y. So putting values of x and y here, we get 5 plus 25 into 10, it will be 250. So we get the charge for 25 kilometer as 255. Now move on to the fifth question, that is a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. So let's start the solution. Let the fraction be xy by, now according to the question, x plus 2 divided by y plus 2 is equals to 9 by 11. So solving this, we get 11x plus 22 is equals to 9y plus 18. So from here we get the equation as 11x minus 9y equals to minus 4. This is our first equation. Now, second condition is x plus 3y, y plus 3 is equals to 5 by 6. Again, solving this, we get 6x plus 18 is equals to 5y plus 15. Solving this, we get the second equation as 6x minus 5y equals to minus 3. This is our second equation. Now, from first, we can write that x is equals to minus 4 plus 9y divided by 11. This is our third condition. Now, substituting this value into the second equation, we get 6 into minus 4 plus 9y by 11 minus 5y is equals to minus 3. Solving this, we get minus 24 plus 54y minus 55y is equals to minus 33. Solving this, we get the value of y as 9. If we substitute the value of y into the third equation, we get x equals to minus 4 plus 9y, that is 9 into 9 divided by 11. So solving this, we get the value of x as 7. That means we can write hence the fraction x by y will be 7 by 9. Now move on to the sixth question, that is 5 years. Hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So let's start the solution. So let the age of Jacob and his son be x and y. Now according to the question, x plus 5 is equals to 3 into y plus 5. So from here we get x minus 3y equals to 10. This is our first equation. Another condition is x minus 5 is equals to 7 into y minus 5. That means from here we get equation as x minus 7y is equals to minus 30. This is our second equation. Now from first we get x equals to 3y plus 10. This is our third equation. Now if we put the value of third into the second equation, we get 3 plus 3y plus 10 minus 7y is equals to minus 30. Now if we solve this, we get minus 4y is equals to minus 40. Solving this, we get the value of y as 10. Now, if we put the value of y into the third equation, we get x equals to 3 into 10 plus 10. So, this will be 30 plus 10. That means x will be 40. This means that the present age of Jacob Jacob's present age is 40 and son's present age is 10. So we have solved all of the following questions and get the answer for each of them. So hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.